Ever wondered how jobless claims can shake up your forex trading game? Well, jobless claims are essentially the number of people filing for unemployment benefits. They act as a pulse check for the labor market's health, showing us how many folks have recently found themselves out of work. A high count suggests economic turbulence, indicating increased unemployment and decreased consumer spending. On the flip side, a low count hints at a robust economy with lower unemployment and stronger consumer confidence. So the number of jobless claims can provide a snapshot of the economy's health. Now let's delve into how these claims impact the forex markets. Jobless claims data plays a crucial role in currency valuation. When a country reports a higher than expected number of jobless claims, it's often a sign of economic distress. This, in turn, tends to weaken the country's currency. On the other hand, a lower than expected number of claims can signal economic strength, typically leading to a stronger currency. Therefore, jobless claims data can significantly shift currency prices. So, how can you trade effectively with this data? Well, you'll want to delve into historical trends and data when trading jobless claims. Seek out deviations from market expectations, as these can signal potential trading opportunities. It's also beneficial to cross-reference jobless claims data with other economic indicators, providing a more comprehensive view of the market sentiment. This multifaceted approach can help you anticipate currency fluctuations more accurately. Remember, careful analysis of the data is key to a successful trading strategy. In conclusion, understanding jobless claims is crucial for a successful forex trading journey. The ebb and flow of these claims serve as a reliable indicator of economic health, directly impacting currency values. To thrive in the forex market, it's essential to stay well informed about these claims and analyze their trends. A robust strategy, grounded in keen observation and understanding, can significantly enhance your trading prowess. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful forex trading content.